What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing a little install over the CB antenna. I wanted to make the cable clean and flush and as factory looking as possible, even though CBs are not factory. So what I did was, behind the license plate bracket there's that other hole that I showed you prior in the install of this bracket itself. You're going to punch that out and the cable should fit directly into it right behind this. Let's see if I can get it to where I can see it. So I don't have it bolted down just yet. I really don't want to finagle with this much if I don't have to. See, right back under there, it just hides, slips right up underneath there. Just like that, nice and clean. When you get, this isn't bolted down yet, so I'm trying to be careful. And then, so it comes up right there, okay? So what I did was I ran it up underneath this, behind, out this hole, so it's up in here, okay? And this is what's it's gonna stay away from all these parts, because this is moving. It doesn't move much, but it moves. And I pulled it, I unscrewed this right here. Okay, so this you gotta be careful with, because it's got a sideways clip, so you wanna kinda like pull it sideways and down, and the same for back here in the corner. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it along in here, out the top, out right here, somewhere along here, down here, into the tail light, which I'll show you guys, through this panel out here, down to where the CB's at inside the seat, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on cabling this in, and I'll show you guys step by step what I'm doing, where I'm going with it, and how I'm doing it. All right, so we got the hole cut back here in the back. We're just gonna let the cable slide through. Made it a little extra large. That way I can fit other cables through if I plan to in the future, like pod lights or something like that. So what I did was, once you get this back on, I used a Dremel for that. There's a hole between these clips, so you're just gonna feed that through there. And when I get this clipped in, it's gonna sit just like that. And you're gonna slide this back to the hole that you drilled, or dremeled out, or whatever you did. You can use snips, you can use anything to get that hole cleaned out, like so. And you'll just be able to run it down to here, to the light, just like so. And we'll check for flexibility of the cable, and I'm gonna clip this all back into place, and we'll start wiring it through here up to the front. Alright guys, so now we're going to take off the rear tail light. It's really really simple. There's this little butterfly nut back there. You'll just grab this, twist it, you know, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Put that down there, don't lose that because you'll need it again. And then light literally just pops right on out. You can unplug the wiring harness if you want, or you can just reach back there. What you're going to do is you're going to put it in that hole right back there. And that's going to lead into here. And we're gonna go out here, down, up to the CB radio. So we got the cable through here, and just like last time, we're gonna run it down the seat, down the side, underneath the floor mats, up to the CB itself. But it came right through here, as you can see, into the housing. There's that little butterfly nut I was telling you about. Okay, it's hidden. It goes up here. I put all my cable inside wire loom because I like to keep it hidden. Make sure you do this while the hatch is open, because this is going to fold in and it'll give it that little slack that it needs required. I'd close it right now, but unfortunately it's not bolted down yet, and I already had that little mishap. I'd rather not do that again. But the cable comes up here, nice clean finish, through here, out in here. You'll never see any of this. The only part you'll ever see is this right here. And then just partially close it. You can see it comes out through here. You got your 90-degree angle, where it looks really factory, it's clean. It comes up through here. Shouldn't have made that so tight. I'll probably loosen that up just a little bit. And yeah, that is finished there. I'm going to go ahead and finish bolting everything down, get it finished, and we'll do one last view of it over everything so y'all can see what it looks like.
There's a moment in your bones when the fire takes over. Blood is running, heart is pumping as the battle gets close.